Hello, if you are new, my name is LaShonda, and if you are returning, thank you for the love and support. If you read the title, you already know what we are making, and I am super excited. This is vegan friendly, and it is clean. Clean as in no additives, no preservatives. So let's get on with the show. For this recipe, you will need a milk of your choice, fruits of your choice. I chose pineapple, blueberries, and some frozen bananas. 2 cups of water. A cup of quinoa.
You will want to make sure you rinse your quinoa thoroughly so you can remove all the powdery residue.
To this pot, I'm adding 2 cups of water and my quinoa that I have rinsed. Going to give it a quick stir. Push it down and let it cook.
This quinoa is packed with a lot of protein.
Okay, she's finally ready. I'm going to put a small serving into my bowl. And I'm going to add my blueberries, some banana, and add some milk. For my second bowl, I'm adding some pineapples, the rest of my bananas, and some milk. And there she is.
You can always enhance the flavor with some salt and cinnamon.
If it's not sweet enough, you can always add some syrup or any other kind of sweetener of your choice, like honey or coconut sugar. If you like this video and if you like what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.